Okay, this is going to be the today's video review for Thursday, June the 2nd, 2016 for Drummond Energy Bands. Please read our trading disclaimer. So this is going to be a little bit different today's video review. We are going to discuss this report in brief detail that comes out before 8 a.m. Eastern. We said that holding above 92.5, bulls may stay in control. What we said on oil, lower down here, we said that we could flush down to 48.61 or lower, potential choppy day. But let's have a look at the S&P with this level of 92 that we were discussing. One of the things that we teach traders is multiple chart frame analysis. We look at multiple time frames or chart frames simultaneously with overlays. Now, overlays are, I guess the best way to explain it here is if you look at this left chart, we have an upper yellow area and behind this pink area. This is our upper yellow area here. We also have a lower yellow area, right? And what we do is we look at a higher chart, we place its upper yellow area here, and we place its lower yellow down here. And then there's also a couple of other components. You can see the solid white midline from this chart. This is our higher charts, white line here. We call them mids. And then we have, the lower purple, the upper purple. We plot them from the higher chart on this left chart in pink. That's from the higher chart's upper purple, and that's the lower purple from the higher chart. We plot it in green. So it gives you a little bit of idea how we're doing it. And then we do the same kind of thing on the trade chart to the right, and it looks very, very different than probably anything you've ever looked at. But what we do is we look at higher chart energy, because that offers us up the most profit potential. So, when we're in this 92 level area, we're looking at this yellow dashed line because we've either got this yellow dashed line down here to look at, or what we have is we've got this top of this yellow dashed line, or the top of the pink, or the bottom of the pink. So obviously if we were up here, we could continue to look for shorts, and if we're down here at this yellow dash line, we could look for buys. Just like across over to this point right here, we could potentially look for buys, and this higher charts energy up here, we could look for shorts. And that's all we really do. Now we start to bring in, of course, different setups like strong trend continuation patterns like the one you see here, and the trigger for it on the entry chart. We had several of them today. There's a couple, one shown here. We have them each and every day, but it's always dealing with a line from the higher chart. And when if that line is pushing up or down based on the energy of the crowd, you've got a tremendous advantage over other traders. If you want to learn more about visual energy analysis, you could send us an email to jb@drummond-energy-bands, or you could attend one of our weekly webinars. Either way, I want to thank you for your interest.